Hi everyone, I'm Heba and welcome back. I have another lip swatch video for you guys, and these are also by Pat McGrath, and these are the Mini Lust Gloss Trio. There are 2 sets, and I bought these at Sephora when I was there. They were just there, so I had to pick them up. And it comes in 2 kits, and one is a cool tone lip gloss and the other one is the warm tone lip gloss. You get 3 mini lip glosses here for $25 for each kit. And lately I've been really into the Pat McGrath brand. I mean, she's got some nice stuff. It comes in this gold packaging with gold sequins. And it's kind of cute. The sequins kind of adds to the packaging. You know, it can be a little wasteful because these are going to go to the recycle bin. And I knew if I knew how to sew, I would use these. But, you know, it is kind of cute. And I wanted to swatch these for you guys on my skin tone. I do have medium skin and I also have mature skin. And I do love wearing lip gloss. About 75% of the time I'll layer lip gloss over a lipstick, but the other 25% off if they're very opaque and I'm just, you know, going out the door doing some errands, I will just put a lip gloss on. And these seems to be like really nice colors. All right, again, here's the cool tone. And let's go ahead and open them up and see what we got. All right, I will just take them out. They come in like this little holder inside. I hope you can see that little holder. But I don't want to take the whole thing out because it'll be a mess. So I will just take them out one by one without making a mess. All right, there you go right there. And this is the size of what you get in this kit. So each one has 0.05 ounce of product in here. So these are a great size, you know, to put in your purse. And sometimes for me, if, you know, my husband and I are going out and I don't want to carry a purse, this will fit perfectly in his pocket for me. So this is a nice size. In a cool tone lip kit, you get the shades Dare to Bear, Divine Rose, and Pale Fire Nectar. In the warm shade, you get Flesh 4, Bronze Temptation, and Flesh Fantasy. And just to let you know, in the warm shade, I do have the full-size product of Bronze Temptation, which is this one right here. So I will use this one and just keep this one for a future giveaway. I do have her lipsticks, and I already did a video. Nothing broke, okay, good. And I already did a video of swatching her lipsticks, so hopefully you guys check that out. But let's do the lip gloss, and how I will do this is I'll, again, set it to music just like I did with the lipsticks. And I'll write down, you know, which kit it is, if it's the cool tone or warm tone, and the shade description on the screen for you guys. And I'll go ahead and start with the cool tone first. Since they're a little bit lighter, I'll start with those and end with the warm, and I'll see you on the other side. lip gloss by Pat McGrath, and let me tell you, they're very creamy. They're very creamy. They're not tacky at all. And this one right here, let me look with my magnifying glass. Pale Fire Nectar. This one had some glitter. I hope you can see it during the video, but this one had some nice glitter. This would be a nice lipstick topper. Lip gloss topper. I think a lip topper. How about that? But this one's a really nice one, and the texture of this one right here, Divine Rose, was very nice. Very nice. For some reason, this one seemed to be a little bit more creamier than the others. But all in all, these lip glosses are very nice, and I will use them either by themselves or on top of lipsticks. But yeah, I really do like these, and they are perfect size. Alright you guys, thank you so much for watching this lip gloss swatch video. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you can see more videos like this. And you all have a wonderful day, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.